The AFOQT Math Prep Course is for anyone taking the Air Force Officer Qualifying Test and wants to refresh their math, relearn the math, and do well on that test. The course covers the math and arithmetic portion of that test. There's 18 chapters and 80 lessons in this course. The course includes videos where you can watch me work out examples and look over my shoulder step by step. You can pause the videos as needed. The videos are short so that you can follow and allow you to retain the information. The course also includes tests, quizzes, flashcards, notes. At the end of the course, there's also worked out video problems from full tests. You will also gain full access to me anytime that you need help. You would just need to email me or join the discussions. In this course, you will learn so much material that you will feel confident and ready to take the test. Let's look through what's inside the course. Here's an example of some modules or chapters that you can expect in a course. You would open one section, pick a lesson that you would like to know. Here's a few lessons in just solving linear equation. Watch a video. And then after you're done watching the video, you can go to the next section where you will find some notes. And here's some example of some notes, which will also have some problems, and there's some flashcards for you. After you are done reading over those, or if you feel like you understand the videos, you don't really need to read the notes. You can go and take the quiz. So the quiz is multiple choice and you can answer it, and then you will get graded right away to see if you need to move on to the next question. This is what you can expect in each of these modules. You can finish the course in 40 days. I include in there a sample schedule to complete the course in 40 days if you are short on time. If not, you can extend it to even have more time to learn. I hope that you'll enjoy the course.